Welcome to our quick guide on using deep research with NotebookLM. Let's explore how this feature can enhance your research quality. Deep research helps you find credible sources from academic articles to reputable websites, streamlining your information gathering process. Start by entering your topic or question in the deep research search field. It's that simple to kickstart your inquiry. Next, navigate through the results. You'll see a variety of reputable sources tailored to your research needs. Select the sources that best fit your requirements. Each entry includes summaries to help you evaluate at a glance. Finally, save or export your findings easily, turning your research into actionable insights seamlessly. With deep research, you enhance your credibility and depth in any project you tackle. Embrace the future of research today. It's time to elevate your research with the right tools. NotebookLM is here to support your academic journey. Dive deeper and explore the available features on NotebookLM that make your research smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips on leveraging technology for your academic excellence. Remember, credible sources lead to compelling content. Happy researching! See you in the next video, where we'll unveil more research strategies.